In this tutorial, we will cover how to connect Gigasheet to Looker Studio. We will work with this stock price data between 2014 and 2017. As you can see, we have around 500,000 rows of data. We're going to filter this data down to just Apple and Microsoft prices. This reduces the data set to a little over 2,000 rows. I can use the URL for BI and Spreadsheets option to create a connection with just this chunk of data. Navigate there and select Enable URL. Copy the link. Now, we want to take this link to Google Sheets. Looker does not have easy connection by CSV, so bringing this connection into Google Sheets. Use the Import Data function in Google Sheets with that URL. Now you can see the Microsoft and Apple data. Next, open Looker Studio and select Create a new report. You can then select that specific sheet as the data source. Once the data is in Looker, you can use all the various functionalities such as click and dragging specific widgets. If you decide to manipulate the data in Gigasheet, you can go back to your original sheet and have the data updated in Looker. Let's say I want to add another company to my filtered dataset. Making this change brings my row count to just over 3,000. Go to Google Sheets and refresh the link to update the dataset. When you see the additional data appear, go to Looker and refresh the data there as well. And that is it. It is so easy to connect Gigasheet to Looker. This allows for more visualization capabilities such as graphs and reports. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at support@gigasheet.com. Thank you for watching.